Welcome back to the Chess Master Series episode 22. In our previous episode, we explored the solid Queen's Indian defense. Today, we step into the world of elite-level Grandmaster strategy with the Catalan Opening, a sophisticated blend of the Queen's Gambit and the Ready Opening. The Catalan Opening begins with 1. d4 nf6, 2. c4 e6, followed by 3. g3. By fianchettoing the king's bishop early, white places pressure on black's queenside and controls the long h1, a8 diagonal. It's a favorite of many world champions, including Garry Kasparov and Magnus Carlsen, due to its deep positional pressure. Black typically responds with d5, leading to two main variations, the open Catalan, where black captures on c4, and the closed Catalan, where black maintains a solid center. In both cases, white's light-squared bishop remains the superstar of the position, often causing headaches for black's queenside development even well into the endgame. The Catalan's versatility makes it a formidable weapon for players seeking a long-term advantage. Master the placement of your pieces to dominate the board. In the next episode, we'll dive into the sharp and tactical world of the King's Gambit. Keep practicing and I will see you on the board.